Welcome. Today you'll discover how to find the accounts you follow on Instagram using the app's latest update on PC. Whether you want to manage your connections, check in on friends, or simply clear up your feed, these updated steps will guide you through the process quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. It doesn't matter if you're using the Microsoft Store version or launching Instagram through your browser. They both have a very similar interface after the new update. Once the app is open, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile photo. It's the small circular image that represents your account. Go ahead and click on your profile photo. This is your gateway to all your personal settings and account details. Now you'll be taken directly to your profile page. Here, you'll spot your bio, your posts, and right above your post gallery, you'll see a few different numbers, one for your followers and another for the accounts you're following. To continue, click on the section labeled Following. This is usually highlighted next to your followers' count. Clicking on Following will bring up a full list of all the accounts you currently follow on Instagram. You can scroll through this list to view friends, creators, brands, or anyone else you've decided to follow. From this list, you can also manage your connections, unfollow people, search for specific accounts, or simply keep track of who's on your feed. So to recap, open the Instagram app, click on your profile photo at the bottom left, and then select Following to view all the accounts you follow. This simple process ensures you always have control over your Instagram connections, right from your PC. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to stay tuned for more tips on navigating Instagram's latest features and updates.